Guys, even the track itself is partitioned. There's sand, there's topsoil, and there's gravel. This makes work a lot easier. You see, you don't need a lot of people on the site doing manual job. Everything has been simplified. See, this makes work easier. Mjengo Majuu makes work easier. The guy in the uniform, how do you call it? Is the driver. Just one person. He doesn't need the offloaders. Overall, we call it overall or something. See, so easy, so easy, so easy. Makes work easier. See guys, it's almost done. When I began the video, it was the first trip. Now they're finalizing. It's almost done. You see, it makes work easier. They don't need so many people for manual job. Wahitaji watu wa mkono. The work is done so easily. So that is it, guys. I wanted us to share. If you like the video, press the thumbs up for like and notification bell so that whenever I upload another video, you'll be the first one to be notified and watch. Leave a comment, leave a comment, leave a comment. Watu wa Mjengo. Mazi cheki wasi wa Mjengo. Vile wamekaa kwa masimu. Wanangoja another trip. Hiyo kitu ilete imwage. Watandaze, that's the only job. You're there seated. Naambia mtu Majuu, naweza kuja nifanya hata kazi ya mjengo. Which mjengo? Nani atakuandika kazi ya kutandaza hii akulipe? Hati unalipa Majuu pa. Nani atakulipa ukae hivi kwa simu? Hakuna. Guys, get a skill. So guys, if you're there and dreaming of kazi ya mkono Majuu, the construction work, you see, most of the work is done by the machines, as you can see. See, concrete being offloaded. And you know, in Africa, this is kazi yetu ya mkono, you know. So here, most of the construction work is done by the machines. So when someone tells you there's a lot of work in construction sites, it basically means you have to learn how to operate most of the machines. What will be done there manually will be very minimal. Kutandaza to your concrete, you see. But majority of the work is done by the machine. Or should I say bigger part of the job. So while in Africa, guys train to operate most of these machines in construction works so that you can get a job in construction site. But just staying there, dreaming of kwenda Majuu and work in construction sites, no, forget about it. Because even these jobs, the manual work ones, are not done every day, as you can see. Maybe just today. The next part will need like 2 people or 3 people because most of the part has been done by the machines. So that's how Mjengo Majuu looks, see? So easy, so easy. And the guy who is offloading is the boss himself. And the two guys you can see there without the uniform are the sons. So they don't really need other people. As you can see, most of the work has been done by the machines. And the guy outside here also working is another boss, you see. Job is done by the bosses themselves. They don't need labor. Wahitaji mtu wa mkono. So guys, Maju, that's how things are. So while back home and dreaming of going abroad or overseas, just ensure you are smart. You have a special skill in something. Either you are a plumber, you are a carpenter, you are an engineer, you're something, you're an electrician. Just specify and also learn how to operate these machines. These are the grader, the dozer things, the whatever, those machineries, those big machines like that one there. Learn how to operate those cranes, we call them, yeah. So you learn how to operate them, and even maybe drive a truck like this one, or operate like the way he's doing. Just master something and be smart at it for you to secure any job in abroad, in construction site, because currently in most countries, in these Western countries to be specific, housing is an issue. Housing is always a problem, not just in one country. So most countries, there's always construction. Yeah, there's always construction. So you can always secure a job when you're smart in a specific skill. So just master specific skill and you'll be good to go. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Yeah. That house that they are constructing there is the same as this one. This is a vacant house ready for sale by this family. Yeah, and those are the bosses. The one running the machine and the one standing outside. Those are the bosses. There's someone there. I'm taking this inside the house because out there it's noisy. As you can see. I know I've stayed for long without updating you. Guys, bear with me. Welcome back to our channel. I'll keep updating every now and then. Whenever I come across something, I want us to share. I'm just held up. But guys, we are together. I'll try possible means to be bringing some things. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, please watch to the end, subscribe. Pick any video. You can watch this one and watch any other video to the end. Subscribe, like. You can leave a comment. And returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. My family, let's walk the journey together to grow together in this channel. We learn one or two things in these videos. I believe there's information you can get in these videos from the start to this point. You can't miss a thing. Guys, even me, I learn a lot from YouTube videos. So watch one or two videos and learn something out of it. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Bye for now.